Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today we have two powerful robotic vacuum cleaners battling it out for the top spot. In one corner we have the Roborock Q7 Max Plus, and in the other corner we have the iRobot Roomba Combo. Let's dive in and compare these two products in various categories to see which one comes out on top. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's start with the price. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus is priced at $869, while the iRobot Roomba Combo comes in at $349. It's clear that the iRobot Roomba Combo takes the lead in affordability. Now let's talk about the Auto Empty Dock. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus comes with the Auto Empty Dock Pure, which automatically empties the robot after cleanup, storing up to 7 weeks of debris. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo does not have an auto-empty dock. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus wins in this category for its convenience. Moving on to suction power. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts a powerful 4,200 pascals suction, easily lifting debris and pet hair from floors, cracks, and carpets. The iRobot Roomba Combo, with its 4-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface rubber brushes, also provides powerful pickup. However, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus takes the lead with its impressive suction power. Let's talk about the vacuum and mop combination feature. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus allows you to vacuum and mop at the same time, offering 30 water flow levels for customizable cleaning. The iRobot Roomba Combo also combines vacuuming and mopping capabilities, providing a specialized microfiber pad for wet floor mopping. Both products excel in this category, but the Roborock Q7 Max Plus takes the edge with its fine-tuning options. Now let's discuss navigation. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus utilizes PreciSense lidar navigation, creating precise maps of your home, tracking cleaning routes, and even offering a 3D view. The iRobot Roomba Combo learns your home and creates an imprint smart map for directed cleaning. Both products excel in navigation, but the Roborock Q7 Max Plus stands out with its advanced lidar technology. Lastly, let's talk about battery life. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts a supersized battery that powers the robot for up to 180 minutes of runtime, or a maximum vacuuming range of 3,229 SQFT. The iRobot Roomba Combo, with its compatible clean base, offers up to 60 days of worry-free vacuuming. In terms of battery life, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus takes the lead. After comparing these two robotic vacuum cleaners in various categories, it's clear that both the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the iRobot Roomba Combo have their own strengths. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus excels in auto-emptying, suction power, vacuum, and mop combination, navigation, and battery life. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo shines in its affordability and compatibility with the clean base. Ultimately, the choice between these two products depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more smart buying guides. See you next time on Buy Smart.